The Raven Fens are a nature reserve near the Dutch town of Venlo in the province of Limburg. It is owned by the Limburg Landscape Foundation and is located in the belt of dunes between Gennep and Venlo. The Raven Fens are a dry wooded area with predominantly pines on old drifting sand, interspersed with cultivated land, fens and some heathland. Although the area would fit in well with the terrain type and location, the Raven Fens are not part of the extensive Maasduinen National Park. However, the area does form part of the projected Robust Connection Schinveld-Mook, an area that is to become a well-connected habitat for, among others, the red deer. The most attractive and in terms of nature value perhaps the most important part of the Raven Fens concerns the many fens, which were created as extruded layers in the river dune sand. An impressive dune is the White Hill. Nearby is a beautiful group of fens. Because of the many fens, it is an excellent area for all kinds of amphibians such as the rare moor frog. The surrounding heathland and loose drifting sand soils attract reptiles such as the hazelworm and the viviparous lizard. In the sheltered, sandy environment, the scarce open areas attract butterflies such as the aurelia. There is a wealth of birds of prey including the wasp thief and the hawk. Of the other bird species, the gray-backed shrike and the yellow hammer bunting stand out. The banks and the water of the fens are richly covered with peat bog, sundew and water lily. The forests are markedly poor in vegetation.